Hey there again, how y'all doing? I've been doing some resin and wood casting. I didn't make any videos of my finished turning projects of them. I actually didn't make any videos of casting them either, but I'm going to show you my setup, see what you think, and be videoing my turnings and castings of them from now on. Check it out. Let me know what you think. And please, please, please give us that thumbs up and a subscription. I got a lot of nice stuff coming out, and I sure hope you guys will enjoy it. I'll be back. These are several of the castings that I've got ready made to be turned. Like I say, the ones I've turned, I didn't film them. I wasn't filming at that time. But I'll be doing that in the future. And then over around here is where I keep the resin. The Illuminate is my favorite. The West system is also good, but I use that for real small stuff. Over on this table, right across from that, is where I do all the resin casting. I keep my dyes and glitters up above. And I have a few more back around here, stored in a cabinet. The pressure pots, I have two large ones mounted sideways on the wall, a couple of small ones down below, and there's one of the big blue ones on wheels also. That's where I do all the work. I'll show y'all a few pictures I did take. Like I say, I didn't do videos yet, but I'll throw in a few pictures, and I'll be doing some videos in the future here on my actual castings and turnings. And some beautiful lamps I've made by leaving some square. They come out very nice, but wasn't doing videoing back then. And these are a few of my pre-bought kit resin casting molds and some that I've made out of PVC. I use these plumber's caps for the bottoms. They're made of rubber and the resin doesn't stick. Works out very nicely. Alrighty, sorry I can't show y'all any finished projects. I didn't think to take pictures or videos at that time, but I'm going to be doing them in the future so you can check them out. I have a full-length tour of my shop out there under Fleet's Wood Shop. If you'd like to see all the shop, I've got a nice lengthy video, shows you everything. But y'all please subscribe. And make sure you hit that like button. We gotta have them and we love them. Shows me how much I maybe am liked, or hope I am. And I must say with all sincerity, I appreciate you taking the time to check it out. Y'all have a good one now, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll be back.